I'm going to talk about race because I'm super excited about it, and it is trending on Twitter today, and the first posters came out today. And
I haven't, yeah.
Do you know it's trending? Have you seen?
No, because I have not been...
Shah Rukh Khan is looking gangster.
He is a gangster.
What is going on with that?
No, I can't tell you.
You can't tell me. I wish you could tell me. But I want to know that first moment you met Shah Rukh.
I cannot talk about it.
The first moment you met him, the first time you saw him, considering I know you're a big fan. So what was that first meeting like?
I'd let him talk about it or tell everyone about it so that I don't lie, because I'd like to look all cool and that I was very cool about it.
Did you fangirl around him?
A little bit.
Did you get his autograph?
No.
Okay, did you get a selfie?
No.
No, that's really well played. If you didn't go for a selfie, then that's pretty good.
Yes, I know.
Because that's like the ultimate fangirl thing to do now.
No, but I was his co-actor, so...
Yeah, you had to play it cool.
But you have to show me the race poster.
I'll show you, it's on my phone actually.
Does he look good?
Actually, let's get your reaction on camera to this poster.
Oh my God.
Let's see what you think of Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh my God.
Looking gangster in Race.
Let's see this.
Let's see. How gangster is that?
Oh my God.
What do you think?
How cool.
That kurta's really good as well. I want that kurta.
Man, he looks so good in kurtas. That's
I love
good.
It.
And this
There's
is
one more as well. This one.
Oh, but I like this one.
This one
is
gangster.
cool.
This is wicked. Really good,
I arrived with no internet, so I've not been able to look at anything.
See, that's what I'm here for.
Yeah. He's such a gangster.
He's so cool.